Hello my dear students, welcome back to online class. Today we are going to revise the second topic of fiber to fabric, that is today we are going to discuss the plant fibers. One is cotton fiber, another is jute fiber. How they are obtained from the cotton plant and jute plant. Okay, we have already learned it in previous class uh, when I have taught you the all process and how they are extracted from the plants. Again we are going to recapitulate this topic. Okay, first comes to cotton fiber. Where does cotton fiber come from? As you know, cotton fiber is mainly extracted from cotton plant. They are grown in fields, usually at the place having a warm climate and black soil. So these are the favorable conditions for growth of cotton plants. Some cotton producing Indian states are Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, etc. And in when I have taught you this chapter, I have shown you different states of India uh, with Indian map. Okay, and now cotton plants bears fruits the size of a lemon. Can you remember? I have shown you a picture. In the next slide I will again show you. These are cotton balls which burst open upon maturing, and the seed wrapped in cotton fiber become visible. Cotton is generally picked by hand from these balls. Okay, so they are actually picked by hand from those cotton balls. Ginning. What is ginning? Ginning means the process of separation of cotton fiber from the cotton seed, that is usually by a comb or by combing method, separation of cotton fiber from the cotton seed. Traditionally ginning used to be done by hands, but these days or nowadays machines called double roller cotton ginning machines are widely in use. Okay, so let's see the slide that I have taught you for the first time. Okay, you can easily remember the picture and this slide very well. I hope you can see the fruits of cotton plants looks like lemon, and different color of flower changes. Okay, and during flowering they firstly bloom as yellowish white color, then after few days this flower turns pink red in color. Slowly flower changes into green cotton balls. So after maturity these balls burst open and appears as soft fluffy white cotton with seeds covered in it. Cotton in a cotton ball contains 5 lakh cotton fiber. So in a cotton ball there is approximately 5 lakh cotton fibers. Okay. Now you can easily tell what are the uses of cotton fibers. These are used for many clothes like our daily dresses, then mattresses, cotton quilts, pillows, etc. Next comes to jute plant, where jute fiber is obtained. So jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Unlike cotton, jute is cultivated in the rainy season. And some jute producing Indian states are Bihar, Assam, West Bengal. I have already shown you. Okay. And the plant is harvested during its flowering stage. The stems of these harvested plants are then soaked in water for 4 to 5 days. Then the stems are left to rot, and then the fibers are picked by hands. Then the yarn or fiber is obtained. Here yarn is the spun thread that is made from the fiber in order to produce fabric. Let's see the slide again. The processing of jute fiber. So as the jute plant is harvested during its flowering stage, and the stems are bundled and kept in soft running water, and they are actually kept for being rotted. Then the fibers become loose from the stem. When the stems become rotten, then fibers become loose from the stem and can be easily separated. So this process of obtaining fibers from the outer skin of the outer skin or stem of the jute plant is called retting. Okay. Then fiber dried under sun for few days and then the fibers are extracted. Such fibers are very soft and they are also called long natural fiber, and their appearance is very shiny, golden silky shine. That's why the jute fiber is also known as golden fiber. These are the uses of jute fiber. They are used as jute sacks, jute furniture, jute curtains. Okay. So in the next class we will see the different methods how fiber to fabric and from yarn to fiber, fiber to fabric. What are the process and what are the different implements and needed for them. Okay. And so I hope you understood. I will upload this video in your e-portal. If you are facing any problem again, then ask me. Okay. Thank you, students.